a very boggy path. So you can see how absolutely soaking both of our feet are. So that's us on top of Fan Fawr, our first mountain. 40 years of age, I've never climbed a mountain until today.
What, you climbed a mountain in?
Well, I drove up 3,000 metres of it. It's not exactly climbing all the way, is it? Whereas I climbed all the way up this. It's quite tricky.
Boggy.
It's very boggy.
Wet feet.
Yeah, we've got wet feet. But what of you, right? That's Penny Fan behind us. Everyone seems to have gone there, and there is no one up here. We've got it all to ourselves.
How you like it?
That's exactly how I like it. You can still see all of the mountain ranges. They're all kind of suffused in a beautiful mist at the minute. Yeah, so we're just gonna have some water and some Welsh cakes. In Wales, why not?
Do as the Welsh do.
And then head down. We've got to go down quite a steep precipice, apparently. You'll well, I suppose if you're still watching after this, you'll realise whether this has actually got posted. We made it home okay. We just want to thank all of our subscribers for staying with us, and thank all the new subscribers that have joined recently. I mean, we don't really do it for that, but it's always lovely to be appreciated. We hope that you enjoy what you're watching and what we're doing for you. Expect a lot more Wales in the future, because we
love it.
We're literally around the corner from it now. So
we love it here.
But yeah, we just wanted to say thank you, keep watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you on the flip side.